Middle school has 900 students. A third of the students bring their lunch instead of buying lunch at school. What is the value of the ratio of the number of students who do bring their lunch to the number of students who do not? So we have all students split into 3 groups. A third of them bring their lunch. So that'll be this box here. And then the rest of them do not bring lunch, and that'll be these blue ones. Or maybe they are eating it at the cafeteria. Yeah, it says they're buying it at school. So they're not bringing it because they're buying it at school. So in all, there are 900 students. And since it's split into 3 groups, we can divide by 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times with no leftovers, but we still need to keep our place values. So we put 2 extra zeros above, which means each box. So 300 goes in each box. We have 300 who bring their lunch to students who do not, which is 600, because 300 plus 300 is 600. And the value of that ratio, if we are to reduce it, could be 3 to 6 or 1/2.